Now let's make the race of the star. To do the race, we will crochet not in round, but in turning rows. So let's do 6 single crochets. Put the marker into the first stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 1 and turn. Now we will make 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 decrease stitch. Chain 1, turn. Now we will make 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 1 decrease stitch. Chain 1 and turn. 2 single crochet in this row and 1 decrease stitch. Chain 1 and turn. 1 single crochet and 1 decrease stitch. Chain 1 and turn, and 1 decrease stitch on the last row. Chain 1 and turn. Now we need to get to the 5th row to make the second ray. For that we will make 6 single crochets on the left side of the first ray. So 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make slip stitch into the same stitch in which you did the 6th single crochet in the 6th row. Follow the same pattern to crochet the next 4 rays of this star. This is what you should get so far. This is our result.